Hello traders, the title of the video is European trader puts CAC 40 index under Elliott wave microscope. Alright, so we're going to put this CAC 40 price structure under the microscope of the Elliott wave analysis. Alright, so I'm on a monthly chart, that's all I have. Okay, probably I'm missing some data here. Probably there was a trend, alright, up to 2000, like the FTSE 100. There was a trending phase from 1989 up to the year 2000, and then the FTSE 100 was correcting itself. So though I do not have enough data here, I believe the CAC 40, there was a trending phase before this triangle that we can see on the monthly chart. As I mentioned to traders, I just subscribe to TradingView. I have 30 days trial plus my immediate subscription. So my subscription, the first installment will be taken after 60 days. Probably my data is limited during the first 30 days. All right, so we will see in the near future when we come back to look at CAC 40 what we will get here. All right. So with what I got today, we need to use this Elliott wave analysis with a bit of caution, all right, knowing that it can be speculative, knowing that probably we are lacking a bit of data here, all right. So looking at this monthly chart, the first thing that we can see, I connect this point, and this point, this is the bearish trend line. All right. So as long as the CAC 40 stays below that trend line here, we should be giving priority to bearish signal. If you are buying below that trend line, you need to be careful. Otherwise, they will call you a dump money. Now, the dump money are those who are selling in an uptrend. All right, the dump money are those that are buying also in a downtrend. All right, so if you are selling an uptrend, they will call you dump money. All right. If you're buying a downtrend, we call it dump money. D-U-M-B, dump money. All right. So be careful. So priority to bear signal below that trend line. If you are a French, you are trading this French, a stock index, the first of 40 blue chip stocks in France. Have you been to Paris before? Have you been to the Eiffel Tower? All right. You should visit. It's a nice city. All right, to visit Paris, all right? All right, or do you live in LA, LAPD, all right? The Hollywood Boulevard, all right, okay. All right, so now we see now, this is very important, all right? Though I'm making you laugh a bit to cheer you up so you can watch the full length for this tutorial. This is about YouTube creators trying to keep you guys to watch the full length for this tutorial. So whenever we see a triangle, so called, pay attention to this one. How I do according this point, this one here, not to this one, not to this one, but to this one. Somewhere in June 2016, according to the beginning of 2009, 2016, June. All right, here it is. I draw that trend line. With those two trend line, I have my triangle. All right. Anytime we have a triangle, we must draw the median line. That's the blue line here. Now what I did here, I just draw it roughly. Sometimes you get it accurately. Sometimes it will be difficult for you because a lot of traders at this point in time, they see the triangle like this. You can still draw. Most traders will draw only the horizontal line. But the real median line, I'm going to change it now into black. That's the real median line, okay, roughly. Some trader will just draw the horizontal line. I'll leave it there for now, okay? You see that the prior retested that horizontal line also. So whenever you draw the median line like this, it's a kind of a trend line. Remember that other trader will be also drawing the horizontal line like this. So here, it came down, it stopped near the horizontal line, and a professional trader say, we want it all the way here. So there is a consolidation going on from this top here, the story here, down. What a long sell. Now it went up, showed it down, down, And slowly by gradually it took it a bit of time, but finally it came to the same zone recently. Can you believe it? This is 2018. It came back to the same trend line that I was telling you now. And they slowly back down, they're bringing it back here. So people are buying along this trend line here. So if you come near this level, and that candlestick is closed, you will be implementing a different time frame trading method. And if there is a buy signal, you draw a horizontal line, prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below. And if there is a bullish signal, you will take it like a pro. If the signal fell, you come out. Yes or no? All right? So this is what's going on for the CAC 40 index. Talking about Elliott wave structure, in my view, I believe that there was a trend before, which I already said. So this session here is a correction. It's correcting a trending fail that we cannot see on this chart. If you check the FTSE 100 index, you understand what I'm saying. FTSE 100 was trending from 1989 up to 2000, and then it went into a correction. All right. So I recorded, in fact, 3 or 4 videos today. And the latest one that I recorded today on the 30th of December, because I'm trying to record all these videos before the yearly candlestick bar for 2018 is closed for all major indices. All right. Usually January to mid-February, I'm busy, all right, updating our website. So I'm getting all this done today. All right. So in January, I can be busy with my website. Okay. Okay. So it's a consolidation play, whether you are day trading or swing trading. All right. Professional will also measure the height of that triangle. I don't want to put that height all the way here. That will be too wide. If you want to do that, you can place another line like this. If that's you, you can again just roughly. It doesn't have to be exact. Just put it like this all the way to this low. Because some trader will do that. Somewhere there as a measuring stick, and then you project it somewhere here up. You went into the uncharted territory, somewhere up there. Will you reach that level one day? But just leave it there and understand that that's the ultimate target out there. Before that, there is a midpoint target, which means you will divide that measuring stick into 2. So you can just, like now, I can just leave it here and not remove it. It's there, okay? For now, I will use this one, this measuring stick, instead of that wider one. This one, same thing, you put it here like this. The end of that measuring stick is somewhere up there. It's pointing to ultimate target, and the median line is before that ultimate target. All right, but for now, I'll bring this one back there to remind myself so I don't forget. So I'll leave it there for now on my chart so I don't forget. The other one is there, or maybe I move it again here to remind myself what I've done before. But just know that professional will do that, okay? The next thing that I want to point out is this vertical line here. At the peak of any triangle, if you draw a triangle, at the peak of that triangle, draw a vertical line there. There is this belief, or there is trader out there that are timing the market using that vertical line that passed through the peak of any triangle. They believe that very often a reversal will take place somewhere near that vertical line. So the price makes, for instance, this CAC 40 can find a support here, and slowly by gradually going up and down, and somewhere in this zone where I put the support, the primary funnel may turn around there. There may be a reversal pattern there, and the price will start coming down from there. That's why I put that vertical line there. It's not an exact science, but it's just an observation. Sometimes you will see it, blah, 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 and then the price comes in not exactly on the vertical line. That's why I put it widely around. It can be before, can be somewhere after that, but somewhere in that zone you may see a reversal. Because there are traders out there trading that, they react to those price structure when the price is approaching that level. Even if you're an Elliott wave trader, you are counting wave, for instance, blah, 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 finally you went up to that zone, and you see, a trend be broken, you remember that possible reversal may take place is not guaranteed, though. All right. So all in all, is the A, B, C, D, E after I training file? A, B, C, blah, 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 is the D, E. Why is the A, B, C, D, E pattern? Well, that's all I got now. Was there a training file before? Okay. Now, probably after my 30 days, I may see more data, then I come back again and we look at it again. But all in all, if you have a speculation, you think that you do not have enough data, then you cannot rely too much on your area wave forecast. Your area wave forecast will become a speculative forecast, yes or no? So you move to the next stage. What's in the next stage? You remember we go preliminary wave count, wave validation, go into the mind of other traders. But if you do not have enough data, or if you are working with a limited data, okay, you will go to the next step, which is what? Mapping out the chart. So that's why I started with drawing a triangle, talking about a triangle first, before even mentioning the A, B, C, D, E, if there was a trend here before. All right, so map it out, look for trading setup around key level. Right now, it's a consolidation play. People are selling the top, and they are buying on the edge of this trend line. There is a midpoint target, which is the black line here. All right, here you see this. You see this one? It acknowledges that trend line, bounce up, come back down. Can you see that green retest? This is amazing. You're not the only one waiting for a retest, though. You see here, monthly candlestick by close, a retest. It's going on all over the place. So now again, if they are buying here, you see they are buying here, okay? If they are bringing it up, they want the midpoint target is this one. Okay, so it came near, they took a bit of profit, pull back. Okay, break a bow. Okay, now it crashed, you didn't find a support. Use a different time frame trading method to time your trade. Even if you are using an option, that will help you. See the signal before you go and buy your call option or before you buy your put option. But from here, the final destination is what? This level. That's where it came. They didn't forget. They're saying they want to bring it back here. All right, you see what's going on now? And again, though we talk about a bigger triangle for the CAC 40, A, B, C, D, E, is the A, B, C, D, E? A, B, C, D, E. Maybe, maybe not. Like those of you who have already watched the video about the FTSE 100, we saw that there was a trend in first, and then we see 1, 2, 3 like this. And we were saying to traders that, is this the third wave developing? But right now, it should go above, it must go above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave of a higher degree before we can label it third wave. And it must continue beyond that level, approaching the level of 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. So those of you that are trading the CAC 40, apart from everything that I'm saying to you, I highly recommend to you that you watch the video that I titled, A Londoner Applies Area Wave Principle to Tame FTSE 100 Index. So you may understand that, you understand why I'm saying that to you, that probably there was a trending first, and then we see a correction developing here, looking more like ABCDE or a triangle. Okay, one thing is certain, this structure here is a corrective wave. What is it correcting? It's a trending fair probably that we do not have on our chart right here. But if we know that we do not have enough data, it's a speculative play, we must concentrate on mapping out the chart, meaning that, okay, we draw all the trend line, pitchfork tool, triangle, media line, all right? Everything that I've done so far, and then we are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of those key levels. There was one here. This is a bit messy. Try to go above it. So this move up, will it continue to go up more? So it can break above. So the triangle, what do we say to trade? All right. If we see a bullish, so if it breaks above the triangle, all right. everything. How do you move this, man? Trading view trader, how do you move it down? With TC 2000, quite easy for me to move the spot. Well, I can't move it straight away like this. Why? Tell me. Well, I think traders are laughing at me now. Okay. Now, so if the price is above the triangle, if you see a bullish chart pattern, a bullish trading setup above any triangle, that's a high probability trading setup. For instance, a higher low. So you say here is this, go up, break a ball, retest from a higher low. Common sense is broken. We implement a top-down trading method to trade it, because a higher low above any triangle is a higher probability trading setup. It doesn't mean no risk. It's more likely to be successful. But in order to control the risk, one must use a different time frame trading method. Yes or no? Again, if you break below the triangle and form a lower high, or we see a bearish chart pattern, or find a resistance below that triangle, we will give priority to bearish signal, again using a different time frame trading method. So the triangle right now is telling us that anything is possible for the CAC 40. It can go up if you find a support above it, it can go down if you find a resistance below it. Or it can continue to oscillate like this, going blah blah blah, and enter this new triangle here. You see this triangle? Again, new triangle will form here. You can go choo 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 choo, and then again bam 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 bam, going up and down again here. And we will play with it as they did here. We will play it on the other side, from the left hand side to the right hand side, from the yin to the yang. All right, in and out. All right. This to make you laugh a bit. All right. A trader was saying to me, there was a comment about money. That George, if you know everything about Elliott wave, you should be rich. You should not be asking trader to support you financially. Now, that's a fair comment. All right, that's a fair comment. I'm not angry with that trader. In fact, I replied to that trader. But I'm going to record a video when I'm going to talk more about money, Elliott wave, and everything. I hope you a lot of traders that are following us, okay, understand what I said before and what I'm trying to do, so I don't get upset with that. Okay, it's a fair comment. Okay, it's his opinion. All right, so I'm not upset with that trader. All right, so you see now. Okay. So this is just very simple, right? Find a trading setup and implement a top-down trading method on the edge. See the various scenario, all right, and to time the market correctly, all right. It's a consolidation play for the CAC 40, all right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, you say, Joe, this is not A, B, C, D, E. You have a limited data, you're talking about A, B, C, D, E. George, I'm not impressed at all right? Or you say to me, Joe, this is a French CAC index, why you didn't do it in French then? All right, I will say to you, all right, check the translation session. Okay? However, if you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other indices traders and Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. I really appreciate it when traders share our video because it means a lot to me, all right? If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. Our channel is 24 Elliott wave, digit 2, digit 4 Elliott wave in plural. Be sure to click on the notification bell, as they say. Ring the bell. All right? So anytime we're about to record a pre-recorded video, what we call YouTube Premiere, all right? YouTube will alert you 2 hours before the live stream will begin, and also 30 seconds as I'm getting ready to watch it together with you, if I am free, all right? So this will conclude our discussion today about a European trader puts CAC 40 index under Elliott wave microscope. And the trader may say, Joe, we thought you are American speaking with your Texas accent. I live in London, but I'm American when you talk about trading, all right? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about European trader put CAC 40 index under Elliott wave microscope. Sometimes I put video first on Facebook. Our Facebook page is stochastic-magdi.com and stochastic-magdi. Check our Facebook page and be sure to click on to follow us so you may know what's happening. Sometimes posting first on sometimes first on YouTube. Our website for Elliott wave trading is www.24elliottwaves.com. So you can follow me on YouTube, you can follow me on our website, you can track me down on Facebook. Today is the 30th of December 2018. I'm putting a final touch to my Elliott wave recording book. Can you see? Can you hear that? Yeah, for the beginning of the year, I have this exercise book. Every video that I record, I write everything down, the time, the title, the note, the comments, the questions, the reminders, all written in this book. So if you come to my place now, I can show you this book for 2018. So I'm wrapping it up, for 2018. So 2019, I'll order another book again, A4 hardback book. And I'll be again recording videos, and put everything in this book. So I'm telling you a little bit more about what's happening behind the scene. So because today is the 30th of December, I'm taking this opportunity to wish traders, a very, very happy new year to you, to your family, to everybody. I'm very impressed with trading to 24 Elliott wave. They are quite interactive. They ask a lot of questions. They put me under pressure. They are very demanding. They force me to subscribe to TradingView. So I'm quite pleased with what's going on at 24 Elliott wave, and I can see a brighter future for that channel. I also like to thank traders for supporting the adverts on our YouTube channel. Money is involved all the time. If YouTube is not making money, somebody has to pay for it. If it is free, somebody's paying for it. So support YouTube, support YouTube creators, support our website, so we can get up and get it done. I wish you the best luck in your trading. So you understand the drill. Don't take too much risk, If you have been dumping money out in 2018, 2019, put a stop to that. Don't jump into trade. Don't get excited about it. Be very, very composed, And then, if your worth is $1 million, you want to use only 5% of that for trading, because trading involves risk. 5% of your wealth. Don't use all your salary and everything to dump into the stock market and make your children hungry. You don't want to do that, Look for trading setup, as I said before, and then work on your ability to time the market accurately. For some traders, maybe they have to switch from spread betting to binary trading, or some traders may have to use option, or for some traders it's about buy and hold when they see the beginning of a third wave. But we cannot talk about third wave now because the market is now coming to the end of the third wave, so this is not the best time to buy and hold, generally speaking. But we are expecting a fourth wave and then a fifth wave. The wave count forecast can be sometimes perfectly accurate. Sometimes the price will challenge the forecast. At the end of the day, we want to flow with the price without assuming anything, So I said enough. Happy New Year to you all, and I'll see you in 2019. Thank you for watching. Can you see that? 24 TSTW, 24 traders, finished 2018 after 24 minutes recording. Thank you for watching.